Are you alive? Wait.
Is that you?
Oh, I didn't see you there.
I'm undercover because everything's gone pear-shaped.
Oh, it has. I hate pears. I wish it was an orange.
Yeah, same.
Oh, I miss oranges.
We've got to get on with the video, but we can't be loud.
That's true. Or we could try and shut the shutters of this place. And it would be loud.
Stay undercover and I'll shut it. You ready?
Alright.
Okay, we can talk a little bit louder now, but just don't shout. Okay, they can't see us unless they look right at us.
Okay, so as long as we're like quiet, right?
Okay, so we're on to a new topic. It's linear equations. Now, our book, I don't know about yours, does linear equations 1 and 2. We're just going to do linear equations as 1. Just combine them all.
We haven't got much time.
We haven't, because everything's gone a bit. It's private business, don't we?
Yeah. So, linear equation. First, what is a linear equation, Wayne?
Well, this can only go one way.
It can.
It's a straight line. It's an equation for a straight line, and it takes the form y equals mx plus c. Now, you don't have to know much about this.
No.
But it means that there's an amount of x, so say 6x plus a constant normally, and the questions you get say solve. So I'll give an example. Solve 6x plus 2 equals 16. What does it mean when I say solve it?
Well, in this example, you'll be finding what x is. So to do that, we need to do a bit of manipulation. So first thing, we have a plus 2 on this side. Now if you do something to one side, we're allowed to do it on the other side, and it's fine. So if you take away 2 from both sides, it becomes 6x.
Because the 2 would have gone to 0.
Equals 14.
Because the 2 would have been taken on that side as well.
Absolutely. Then we can divide both sides by 6. So it becomes x on its own.
6 over 6 is 1, so you've got 1x equals...
And 14 over
6. Over 6, sorry.
Which doesn't appear to be very friendly.
But it's not that bad. X equals 6 goes into 12 twice, so it's 2 and 2 sixths, which is a third.
Ah, so you might be asked to apply it to mixed numbers, it might just be fine like that.
And that's how you solve these things. Now it does get a little bit trickier, so I'll give you another example, Triv.
Okay.
What about x plus 2 over 5 equals 10?
Okay, so it's a bit tricky, you've got a divide sign. But like the times sign before, we want to get rid of this, so we times both sides by 5.
Yep.
So you can put these things in the margin, and then you might be able to get marking marks even if you get the number wrong. So it becomes x plus 2 equals 50. Then you do what you did last time, minus 2 from each side. So it becomes x equals 48.
And that is correct.
Is that right? Yes! Oh. Is it clear, Wayne? Can we get out? I'll send up a telescope. He says it's all good. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. Flower Santa. Sorry.
Be quiet.
I got a bit excited there. Right.
Now, there's only one step harder this can really get. If you have, say, x plus 16 over 3 equals x plus 2. Now you notice in this case we actually have 2 x's, so we'll see what that boils down to as Triv goes through.
Okay, so like we had before, we have a 3 in the bottom. But we can't just times one of these things by 3, because times all that side by 3. So this side we times by 3, the 3 disappears. So it becomes x plus 16. But this side becomes 3 lots of x plus 2. So now before we do anything else, we need to expand this bit here.
If you don't know about expanding, we have an expanding chapter. I think it's 2 videos before this in a playlist, but find it on our channel if you don't know.
And then you know how to do that, but if you already know, it becomes 3x plus 6. So then we have x plus 16 equals 3x plus 6. So now we have an x on both sides. We don't really want that.
No. If you take the 3x over this way, you'd get minus 2x, and you always want to try and keep your x's positive.
Absolutely.
So you take the x's over to the side where there's bigger x's to start with.
Yeah. So we minus an x from each side, so it becomes 16 equals 2x. We've taken an x from this side. plus 6, and we take away the 6 from both sides, becomes 10 equals 2x, and then finally we divide by 2 to get rid of the 2 here, so x equals 5.
You got it right.
Thank you very much.
I
Don't get too excited this time.
No, don't get too excited. There's a car. I'm sending the guy up to have a look.
Alright.
He says it's all clear.
Okay.
Turns out the car's M. I think she's signalling that things are sorted, but she's not very happy. I think the mission's still ongoing.
Okay. Or, I think she needs help, Wayne.
Let's go.
Quick.